Welcome back to Sam's Diecast, your and friend boxing's reviews and collecting of diecast cars. Today we have this 2021 Hot Wheels. This is a new for 2021. This Hot Wheels J Imports 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9. 10 of 10 of the Japanese imports, 214 of 250 for the year. This is on a USA card. And this is a really hot new casting. Really liking this one in all white. GRX62 from Encased. Yes, I forgot to include this in my Encased unboxing, but this is my last Encased vehicle to unbox. 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9, born 1999, Suzuka, Japan. Designers Honda, made exclusively for the Japanese domestic market. This 3-door hatchback came equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, 182 horsepower, 1.6 liter V16B DOHC VTEC engine, and an interior that featured red bucket seats, titanium shift knob, leather wrapped steering wheel, and Type R badge in red. Truly one of the hottest hatches ever. Hot J Imports is a dream collection of Japanese market domestic vehicles. I can't really talk, my braces are really hurting me, especially that wire. Anyways, enough talk about my braces. Let's get this awesome casting out of the packaging. Oh, not a clean open. Dang. Oh. There you are. Nice Honda Civic. 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9. This thing is pretty cool. Got some rubbing on the top there. I will rub that off later. It probably will come off. Take a closer look at those details. There's a bunch of specks there. I can wipe those off. Those will definitely come off, don't worry. There's the red Honda badge signifying the Type R. Painted headlights. Sweet! There's the grille sticking out there. White wheels and a white body. This is the championship white color. There's the red interior with the right side steering. This is cool. Smoke tinted windows. And there's the back of it. So Civic Type R right there, and Hot Wheels license plate. This is a nice looking vehicle. Plastic base. Loving the all painted. This is like a factory fresh. 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9. GRX62 2020 copyright, made in Malaysia. Nice. Rear wheels spun independently. Please subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.